If you're planning a trip to Colombia, staying connected is essential. And one of the easiest ways to get fast, reliable internet without paying expensive roaming fees is with a Saily eSIM. Saily offers affordable data plans starting at just $6.99, so you can choose the option that best fits your travel style. Whether you need a small 1 GB plan for a short visit or a 10 GB plan for a longer stay. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get 15% off all Saily plans worldwide. Here's a quick look at what's available. For short trips, the 1 GB plan lasts 7 days and costs $6.99. If you're staying longer, the 3 GB and 5 GB plans last 30 days and cost $17.99 and $27.99. The best value is the 10 GB plan for $45.99, which also includes 10% back in Saily credits you can use on future trips. Setting up your eSIM is simple. Choose your plan and complete the purchase, and you'll receive a confirmation email with a QR code. Then, download the Saily app, scan the code, and follow the steps. Your eSIM will activate automatically when you arrive in Colombia. Saily works with all eSIM-compatible smartphones and offers both regional and global plans, so you can keep using the same eSIM as you travel. You also get 24/7 chat support, low data alerts, and strong privacy features to keep your connection secure. One of the best parts is that you can add multiple destinations to the same eSIM. No more swapping cards or dealing with airport kiosks. So, if you want reliable internet in Colombia without the hassle, check out Saily using the link in the description for 15% off. Pick the plan that suits your trip, set it up in minutes, and enjoy your time in Colombia fully connected.